Anytime an extension beef cattle specialist suggests a cow herd is most profitable when there's a well-defined calving season, as opposed to leaving the bull in and calving year-round, it's not uncommon for the response to be disbelief. During the 2020 Ohio Beef Cow-Calf Workshop, Dr. Les Anderson responded to the debate regarding a defined calving season versus allowing the bull to remain with the herd to get them all bred with this.
This is an economic analysis of 400 ranches done by ag economists. The great thing about an ag economist is what's their only bias? Money. They don't care about time. They don't care about anything but is it making you money? Are you losing money? There's been a long debate in the cattle industry on control versus year-round calving, extended calving. So what these guys did is they took those 394 ranches, 3 years. They just looked at how much product, how much input. Does it make them money? What costs? Okay? They found a positive relationship between the number of days of the calving season, so the length of the calving season, with the cost of production. So as the length of the calving season increased, the cost of production increased a nickel per 100 pound of calf. Okay? And the pounds of calf weaned per cow per year decreased. So to put those in numbers that we can wrap our head around, year-round calvers sold in those 394 ranches, 46 fewer pounds of calf per cow per year. And the cost of production was $14 a hundredweight more per cow per year. So that's the perfect situation, right? It costs us more to sell less. We're on target, okay? Particularly when calves are $1.35, right? Arkansas, Tom Troxel took 6 farms, all year-round calvers, and over a period of time, most of the 5 of the 6 got it done in 3 years. One of them took 5. He transitioned from year-round to one 90-day season. And then what Tom did was he just collected the economic and production data to see if it made him money. Okay? Because if it doesn't make you money, don't worry about it, right? Before, long calving seasons. After, much shorter. Before, fewer cows calved in the window, but you would expect that, right? Because they're making them calve in the window. Here's one that I get a lot of argument about all the time, okay? Because I'm talking about, 70 to 90 day calving window. And the guys are like, well, if I just leave that bull in there, eventually they'll all get pregnant. That's not actually the case, okay? If we do a good job with our management, the same percentage of your mature cows are going to calve even if they're calving in a shorter window. And I'll show you even how to bump that up. Herd break-evens, that's dollars returned per pound to cover costs, 1/3 less. Out-of-pocket costs per animal unit. Okay, an animal unit is a 1,000-pound cow with a calf. Costs were half, income was twice. Okay, so it didn't cost them money to move to a controlled breeding and calving season, but made them money. Okay? Tons of data in the beef cattle world about the economics of calving. If you want to be profitable, your cows need to calve in less than a 90-day window. That's per breeding season, so you can have 2 of them, one in the fall, one in the spring. Let's keep them short. We need more than 90% of our cows to get pregnant. We need to lose less than 2% of our calves at death. That's from birth to weaning, okay? And greater than 88% of our cows need to wean a calf.